Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Powerledger. The price line of Powerledger is once again rejected by the resistance of 70 cents, and right now it is moving down. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to move down to the support of this big channel, or we may have a reversal move from here. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this weekly time frame chart. And here since September 2019, the price line of Powerledger is moving in this up channel. And here we have several touch points at the resistance and several touch points at the support as well. By the way, the price line is testing the resistance more than the support, and the more it will test the resistance, the more there will be chances for the breakout. Right now we can see this blue line is the exponential moving average 10, and this red line is the EMA 21 on the weekly time frame. And you can see that the price line is testing the EMA 10, and it is possible that it will also test the red line, that is the exponential moving average 21. It was working as a very nice support since after July 2021. You can see that the price line was moving above this EMA 21 again and again, and it was not breaking it down. And even before this, the price line has been using this EMA 10 and sometimes EMA 21 as a nice support. So there is a possibility that we will test this EMA 21 once more, and then we will have a reversal move from here. However, this resistance of 70 cents is very important. As in my last video, I told you that we need to break it out, and we can see that here price line has also found another uptrend line support as well, and the price line is not breaking down this support. This is a newly formed support, and in this way, if I place this trend line, then we can see there is another ascending triangle formation has been started. It is formed even, and if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame and even on the daily time frame, it will be more visible. We can see that we are having rejections by this resistance, and now we are going to test this long-term support. By the way, this support is also started on August 2021, therefore it is also another long-term, but not than this support of the bigger channel. However, the next few hours and days are really very important, because we may test the support of this weekly EMA 21 and also the support of this ascending triangle. Then we may have a reversal for the next breakout, and in case of breakout, we may move to the next resistance of this channel, that will be approximately at $1.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.